Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the default account for Apple Notes on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Notes. Then we go down and tap on Default Account. In here, select the account that you would like to use. So by default it is set to iCloud. If you have Outlook or Gmail sign in, then you can select Google, for example, if there is a Google account available. And that's it. So select the default account. Now set that notes created outside of a specific account, such as when using Siri, are placed in this account. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.